This section covers the initial setup on the following heaters. Position the heater in a well-ventilated, dust-free location. Ensure the following distances are maintained between the heater and any combustible materials: 2.4 metres to the front and 1.2 metres above and either side. Pour fuel into the heater tank until the gauge reads full. Diesel is a suitable fuel. However, kerosene and paraffin are cleaner burning fuels and require less maintenance. Then turn the thermostat to the maximum setting and connect to the main supply. Make sure that no one is standing in front of the heater during the ignition process. Now you can switch on the heater. Once the heater is ignited, turn the thermostat down to the desired temperature. Now check the pump pressure. It should read 5 psi. If it's too low, turn the adjuster screw clockwise. If it's too high, turn it anti-clockwise. And that completes the initial setup.